Hi there, Tina here. Every spring there are kids graduating from high school, and I never want to give a check or money. I know that they have all-nighters to pull, so I've decided that coffee makers are the way to go, and so far they have all liked them. So the Kenmore 5-cup digital coffee maker is a great, simple coffee maker that just gets the job done economically. It's ideal for that dorm room or home or cubicle. It's simple to program, and it just makes the coffee, keeps it warm for a few hours and then shuts it down on its own. Couldn't be easier. So it can make up to 5 cups at a time, so it's plenty for 1 or 2 people. It's a great, convenient little brewer.